Dave's Woodchuck. I'm back with part 2 of my transmission teardown, and I found a bunch of broken gears in it, and I think I'm just going to go ahead and replace it. I found a Reman transmission for $1,000 with a warranty. From what I can figure up, I'm already at $500 worth of parts just from what I see, and I haven't even tore it down yet. So I'm going to go ahead and let you see what I've got here. I'm not a manual transmission expert by any means, so you know, I could be wrong, but just going online and looking for the gears that I have broke on this, the cost difference, and with the warranty, I'm going to go ahead and do the Reman. But I wanted to show y'all the damage in case it may help somebody else. You can see here I got the 5th gear is broken. That one's not as bad as some of the others. That's just one tooth. And then down here on the counter shaft, I've got some broken teeth as well. I had a couple busted teeth there, and down on the counter shaft gear where it connects, there's some, that's probably the worst gear of all. Of metal. You're not going to be able to see it way back up in there. All of it. There you go.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
So anyway, that's the update, and I'll put it in as soon as I get the Reman. I wouldn't worry about all this.
We're back. Another round of classic rock on Lone Star 92.5.
We're getting there. Almost got it back together now with the Reman transmission in it. I got the transmission and transfer case back in. I got the transmission in, and everything's working like it's supposed to now, so we're back in operation. And I think what ended up happening was the truck had 262,000 miles on it when the transmission started acting up, and the input or the pilot bearing was completely wore out. There was nothing left of it, just a thin little layer of the outer ring, and I think that caused too much play in the input shaft, and then the input shaft gear blew up, and then I don't know if it got into the fifth gear or what happened, but the fifth gear was bad too. So anyway, here we are. Got the reman in it. I'm shifting through all the gears right now. Got the gooseneck behind me, and there's no noise from the tram. So anyway, just giving you all the update on after the truck got put back together. We're all good. Thanks for watching.